Hey ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. So today's video is sponsored by Afsisterwig, and as you guys can see, I have some burgundy hair in my head, sis. This hair is super soft and silky with minimum shedding. So if you want to see how I customize this wig, then just keep on watching. So the hair comes in this really sleek black box with this nice bow on it. I thought it was really cute. I wanted to show you guys the bubble wrap that it came as well. That way you know the hair comes fully protected. It was placed very nicely in the box, wasn't sloppy at all. You guys see the shine on this hair? The shine is ridiculous. There's no product you have to put in this hair. It's 100% high quality Remy hair, so it's silky, soft with minimal shedding, tangle free, all that good stuff. So another thing I wanted to show you guys is the inside of the wig, and as you can see, it actually comes with the elastic band already strapped on the wig. But the good thing about it is that if you don't want it on there, you can take it right off with no issues. I thought that that was really cool. I've never had a wig that came that way. Very helpful. So as you can see from the frontal is already pre-plucked, and also it is pre-bleached as well. So if you don't want to pluck it, if you don't want to bleach it, you don't have to, but y'all already know I'm going to. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray the wig with my Got To Be glue spray. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I am extremely clumsy when it comes to getting bleach on the hair. And because this is my first colored wig, I did not want to risk that. The hair is already perfectly colored, so I did not want to ruin it. So I used the Got To Be glue free spray just to avoid me getting the bleach actually on the hair and changing the color. So I got my bleach together. I'm going to list all the products I use in the description box down below. And then I just go ahead and place it on the frontal. So this is the hair after I washed off the bleach. As you can see, I did not get it on the frontal, yay me. And the lace is a little bit more, you know, transparent. So that's part of the reason why I went ahead and re-bleached it. But I do want to let you guys know that because this is a colored wig and it already comes lightly bleached to avoid shedding, if you bleach it again, you are going to have a little bit of shedding. I did too. That's okay. Just go ahead and spray you some Got To Be glue free spray on there. That way, you know, you're not losing a lot of the frontal hair. So I just wanted to show you guys up close what the frontal is looking like. You really don't have to pluck much, honestly. This is what it looked like after I plucked the frontal. I did the bare minimum on it because, like I said, it already came pre-plucked. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how much hair I plucked out, which wasn't a lot at all. It was really easy to work with. I actually do like this hair. Definitely high quality. You can tell the hair is 20 inches, by the way, and it is 150% density. So yeah. So now I'm just showing you guys my spray tint. Like I said, I'll have it listed in the description box down below. I just use this to get the lace a little bit more of my color, and then again I'm going to set it with the Got To Be glue free spray. So because the wig already comes with the elastic band strapped on there, that was one less step that I had to do. So I was definitely thankful for that. So I'm going to place the wig on my head and just measure it to my head and make sure it's laying correctly as far as, you know, with what I plucked, and seeing exactly how much lace I have to cut off. I did end up cutting off a lot of the lace before I even glued it down, just because I was kind of already aware of how I wanted it to lay. But I also did just want to let you guys know that the hair is quality controlled before shipping, and along with the pre-bleaching and the pre-plucking, it also does come with baby hairs as well, just so you guys are aware. So I feel like this brand definitely make sure that they're sending you high quality hair for a lot lower of the price. And the fact that they do the quality control shipping just to make sure you're not getting a bad batch of hair, that's really, really, really good. Not a lot of brands do that. So I'm going to be using glue this time because I was trying to use my Got To Be Glue free spray to lay my wig down, and it wasn't working, sis. It was not working. So I went ahead and just picked up my glue. I know last time I said I did not really like to use glue like that, but you know, sometimes I like to switch it up. It just really depends as to how I want the hair to lay. So it wasn't working for me with the Got To Be Glue free spray this time. I don't know what the issue was, but I'm using my Esha glue. I'll have that listed in the description box as well for you guys, but it's a really easy glue to work with. I got it off of Amazon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down the frontal. So I'm pretty much just going to end the voice over here because the rest of the clip, the rest of the video is very much self-explanatory. I'm just going to go ahead and finish laying down the wig and then just style it. So nothing that I do is anything that I really need to explain, so you guys can just watch, and then I will see you guys towards the end of the video. You guys, so that is the end of the tutorial. I do like the hair, it's just different because like I said earlier, this is literally my first colored wig like ever. I always stick with just one bead. I do have a wig with some highlights in it, but that's as far as I go. So this is like my very first colored wig. It's definitely cute. The hair is very silky, it's very soft, and as you can see, it's very shiny. I did not put anything into it. You guys saw that I had blow dried it. I did flat iron it, by the way, and I also did cut some layers in the front, which is what I normally do just to help frame my face. But other than that, I didn't put anything in it, like as far as any styling products or anything like that. So yeah, this is the hair's natural shine. Like I said, I do like the hair. It's just different for me as far as the color. But other than that, the hair was really, really easy to work with, even though it was colored. But it is really, really cute, and the hair is definitely worth it. You're getting high quality hair for a lower price, and it's already come colored for you. The knots is already pre-bleached. The frontal is already pre-plucked. So you're getting a lot for your money. So I would definitely say it's worth it. Like I said, I really do like the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Very different for me, but very, very, very cute. Make sure you check out the description box. I will have literally all of the information listed in the description box. AF Sisters wigs, socials, everything will be listed in the description box for you, as well as the products that I use. That way, if you're interested as to what bleach I use, the developer, the spray tint, everything will be listed in the description box down below for you guys, okay? So if you didn't hit the subscribe button, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Also, remember to give me a very big thumbs up. That is super important. Remember to check the description box for all of the information. That would be it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.